Hello friends, Jessica here with a quick tutorial recap, and this has to be one of my favorite tutorials that I have done in so long. I loved it so much. So let's get into it. First of all, the muse for my tutorial was this Schiaparelli Couture creation. It's really playing with the idea of technology. So it's this brush that's like loaded up, or not brush, dress that's loaded up with all these old tech and those circuit boards and embroidery and all of that. And so I use that as my jumping off point, my inspiration. But also you've got jewels in here. You've got like crystals, even there's like some rubies. So what I ended up doing, first of all, I always kind of have a scrap board. So I'm kind of just, this was like my scrap. It's not like how I wanted to turn out. But what I was doing was playing with like, okay, what layer styles am I going to use? What brushes am I going to use? So it's just an experiment board. And what I ended up doing was creating like a set of, I created brushes specifically for this tutorial. And actually in this tutorial, if you're a Behance subscriber, you can download my tutorial brushes. But I made these multicolor chip pattern brushes and even the color palettes. So I'm just gonna kind of like give you a little breakdown of what I used to create this image, and check out the whole tutorial if you want to see it in action. But it does include all the tutorial brushes and all the resources that I used to create this really cool digital background. And I just was like really tickled with how it turned out. So I used a lot of different things. This is like the light things that you see here are Creative Couture layer styles applied onto like a chain brush, a pattern painter brush. This is one that was like from my I think it was from my gold play collection, but I just used it as a one color brush. I've got some Creative Couture textile layer styles in this glitchy green here, these kind of boxes. Those are glitch core brushes. I kind of created a box shape and I sampled colors directly from those circuit boards and created these really cool glitch sort of, shapes with those glitch core brushes. Oh my God, so much fun sampling those colors from the images. And also you can see these like, I also took photos of circuit board and put that and created some special brushes for that, multicolor brushes. So then you've got those circuit board brushes in there and just like layering everything on top of each other and finding that cool balance. Here I've got some black layer styles from my Creative Couture collection. So most of the layer styles are all from that Creative Couture collection. Really versatile, great for anything couture inspired. And I just used a whole mismatch of brushes and everything for that. But that was just loads of fun. I just couldn't have loved it more. And yeah, so if you want to just kind of see the step by step, check the tutorial out down below. If you're a Behance subscriber, you get all the tutorial resources, and you've got the brushes, the special color palettes that I made, the even the brushes that are the chip pattern board brushes that I created. So super fun. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next tutorial.